So, we have a few errors. First of all, you see Mario sinks into the level. That is a bit strange. So, just duplicate these and recode it. So, when I duplicate it, instead here, set this to 3 and 2. And what that will do is it will change Y if it's an extreme situation. And so you could see Mario is now not being weird like usual. Good job, Mario. And next, let's create a parallax since our player's a bit boring. So, I'm re-recording this because the last one was too long and I'm not verified, so yeah, sorry about this one being a bit too rushed. But I want to keep it short, so convert this to vector, then flip horizontally, make it go up a little, and then here's the thing that makes it cool. You can first start by clearing graphic effects, and you could set brightness effect to -9, -9, set ghost effect to 10. Now you see we have this really cool parallax, but parallaxes are not like this. Parallax is when further objects move slower and closer objects move quicker. In this scenario, it's our level. So, to make it work, we must do some dividing. Camera X is the level or the closest item, so we must divide it by 2, which means it's farther. And now we have a parallax. Hee 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 hee. And next you could make a background like I did, where you take a blue color and just make a background. Yeah, easy. So, now you will see that it's all good, but it's not playable. There's no motion or any fun things in this game. So, let's create spikes. Except spikes are also hard to make as well. So duplicate this and set X to camera X and get rid of all these graphic effects and start brand new. We could draw a spike by going into bitmap mode and zooming up and drawing the outline first. So you can make 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And copying it on the way down. And we have an outline. Next, you could add some brightness shading. So, add a dark spot and add a normal shade or the original color of the object. And since spikes are usually made of metal, add some shiny to it. Shiny! And just fill in the rest. There, it's a spike. And we can copy it. And let's paste it in. Here you can see the spike is being covered by the bitmap, by the parallax. So just drag it, and then Mario should be in the front layer, platform, and platform 2 or parallax should be in the back. So go to the back layer and boom. So you see that there's this naughty spikes. So we want the level to be in the front at all times. There. Now, you see that we cannot see the spikes very well because they are covered. And that's because we reversed. So, which means flipping it horizontally. And look, we now have spikes. And now you see the spike. When we touch the spike, we don't die. So let's make ourselves die. So when the green flag is clicked, forever loop, if we are touching spikes, then we can set camera X to 0. So then watch what happens when we touch the spike. We die. So if we jump over the spike, we're fine. Let's fix double jumping, because this is platformer, not Flappy Bird or Flappy Mario in this case. So we can take advantage of the up arrow with jump. We could see if the up arrow is pressed, and if jump equals 0, then we could do this. But if jump is not equal to 0, then do not jump. So set speed y to 0 and setting jump to 1. We could set that to 1 here. And so we still have double jumping, which is weird. Consider the fact that we did the jump. So now you know jump is only for the jump thing. So after we're landing, we could already jump. So after that, we will have to go here. Then set jump to 1. After we are done. And where? Well, if we get rid of that, that's gonna work, 'cause yeah. But here's the thing. Since we don't have double jumping, we can fix this if we are already touching it. So if we jump equals 0, then if not touching. So if we are touching the platform, then we will do blah 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 blah. Except you will see it doesn't work because our y is obviously too great. So change y by -2 or something, and it might work. And look, now you can't double jump. But do you notice what I am noticing? We can see the spike here, but as we are moving over, the spike is following and not scrolling off the screen. Well, Scratch does not let sprites scroll too much off the screen, so we must use tricks. You see, if we make the sprite scroll off the screen, then we can make it bigger, so bigger sprites scroll off the screen more. So you could draw 2 dots, one on this side and one on this side. And now as you could see, our sprite is perfect. I could zoom up here and our sprite will scroll off the screen. Perfect. And also, the spike is a bit boring. The spike is super fun to crash into, so oh gosh, that's a bit weird, which means I should stop the video now. Bye bye. Oh yes, time to watch the worst game in public. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I died. I'm so bad at this game. I am terrible at this game. I did it. I did it. I did it. Oh, yeah, you did it. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, it's a secret hidden level. Oh no, no, no! Why did I die? Why did I die? Dang it, this is so hard. Ooh. What the heck? What kind of level is this?